Hi everyone, welcome back to this brand new unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this KLM Boeing 747-400 from Inflight200 in the 1/200 scale. So this is the front, and the back of the aircraft have the QR code. The sides as well. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing itself. So this is the inside of the box with the airplane, the stand, and I think over here this is the coin. I'll take it for you. So here you have the coin, because this airplane flew its final flight for KLM on March 29th, 2020 from Mexico to Amsterdam. And here you can see the route it took and a picture of the airplane itself. So this is the stand. It's quite heavy, but that is also necessary for the model because it's heavy too. So yeah, that's the stand. So here you have the airplane out of the box. It's just an amazing model. Nothing more to say about that. Amazing quality, amazing details. Everything the original aircraft has the model as well. It also has rolling landing gear and movable, as you can see. So here you have the front of the airplane with the cockpit windows, the SkyTeam logo, the Air France KLM logo, and the name of the aircraft, Tokyo, as well as the main logo, the KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, and the 100-year sticker as well. The aircraft has the new livery, and as I told you before, the landing gear is movable. Moving on to the middle of the airplane, we have the overwing exit and some more windows, as well as engine number 1 and engine number 2, as well as the beautiful winglet on the tip of the wing. As you can see, it has a little bit of paint damage. I don't know if it checked it in the factory or something, but yeah, that's all right. Let's move on to the rest of the fuselage. So this is a combi. What it means is that you have from the front until the middle part of the airplane you have seats for passengers, and from the middle to the end you have storage for cargo. So it's like a cargo compartment like on a regular Boeing 747 freighter, but this is with passengers as well. Moving on more to the back of the airplane, we have the registration, Papa Hotel Bravo Foxtrot Tango, the Dutch flag, the European flag, and the Flying Dutchman name. And the final part of the airplane is the tail section with the vertical stabilizer, KLM logo on it, and the horizontal stabilizers. So here you have another view on the KLM Boeing 747 in the 1/200 scale. I really like the detail in this model and the amount of effort they put into that. So here you have the main landing gear and the front landing gear, as well as all the engines. The rest of the bottom of the airplane is very detailed, but nothing special. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you liked this review of this KLM Boeing 747-400 in the new livery with the 100-year sticker on it from Inflight200. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments and I will answer them. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.